The Sviatoshynsko-Brovarska line, Ukrainian, is the first line of the Kyiv Metro, dating back to 1960. It includes some of the system's more historically significant stations, like Arsenalna, which at 105.5 meters is the deepest in the world, and the next station Dnipro, which, although the tunnel follows a descent, appears above ground level. All of the stations on the eastern bank of the Dnieper River are either ground or above ground level, this attributed to a similar experiment like Moscow's Filyadskia line. Here the warmer Ukrainian climate prevented the stations there from being severely deteriorated, which was why extensions in 1968 and 1979 were kept from going underground. The 5 original stations are extremely beautiful in architecture and decoration, as they managed to survive Nikita Khrushchev's struggle with decorative extras. The Sviatoshynsko-Brovarska line cuts Kyiv on an east-west axis and presently comprises 18 stations. It is usually colored red on the maps. Akademisteko, Zhytomyrska, Sviatoshyn, Nyvky, Berestayska, Shulyakska, Polytechnic Institute, Voksalna, Universitet, Teatralna Zoloty Vorota, Kreshchatik Maidan Nezalezhnosti, Arsenalna, Dnipro, Hydropark, Livoberezhna, Darnitsia, Chernihivska, Lesova. Traditional Soviet metro planning stipulated the creation of the first line, which would at some point in the future be expanded and crossed by future planned lines. Specifically, the Sviatoshynsko-Brovarska line has 2 transfer stations, although a couple more are planned for connection to future prospective lines of the metro system. The line is served by the Darnitsia Depot, 1, although before 1965, a converted tram depot located under the Dnipro station was used. After the completion of the metro bridge, the depot was dismantled. Currently 28 5-carriage train sets are assigned to the line. Most of them are Type E, S, S1, M501 and M502, built during the late 1960s and the early 1970s. The line was once served by carriages of Type D, which were later given to St. Petersburg Metro. In 2014, some of the trains were refurbished and converted into Type 81-7080/7081 or EKM, with new engines, interior and outerior. Since the line has the oldest stations in the system, some show heavy marks from nearly half a century of exploitation and need for renovations. This includes replacement of escalators, lighting, and in some cases the decoration. In particular, this concerns the surface stations, which are exposed to weather elements. One of which is Darnitsia, which in the future is to become an important transfer station for 3 lines, has recently undergone a complete reconstruction, with an addition of a new western entrance. Other projects include additional new entrances for Voksalna and a planned one for Teatralna.